everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Well, I got 5 pounds of hamburger here from Sam's Club, and we're going to fry it up and get it ready to do some canning either tomorrow or Sunday, but I'm going to get it fried up, and then I can just, that way, I don't have to worry about it going bad until I can get some time to do the canning. I'm going to be canning some baked beans and the hamburger together with some barbecue sauce and some maple flavoring and stuff. So that's what's going to be coming up here in a day or two. But right now, I'm just going to fry it up in one of my small skillets here. Let me turn this around and show it to you. There. All right. So there's the one of the skillets. This is a decent sized skillet. Okay, now you hit that down a little bit. There we go. Get this package of hamburger open here. There we go. Now it's starting to break loose, right? And I'll probably do a fast forward on it. I believe this is a 17-inch skillet, cast iron skillet. I'm going to do 2.5 pounds at a time. So I'll be storing it in one of the Tupperware bowls that, Pyrex bowls that my wife got me. I did an unboxing on this last year. Difference between this half of the package and the other half, this half is really dry. Not all the juice, water, fat, whatever off of it. This one's staying really dry here. And I don't see that much liquid on it. I know it's all not going to fit in the other one, so I'm going to put some in here to begin with. Make sure I just dump that into the other one. All right, there's 5 pounds of hamburger browned up and ready to be canning whenever I need to, whenever I get a chance to do the canning with the beans and stuff. So that's what I got. And I may wind up doing it on Monday for the Monday Night Fireside Chat. I may have Tammy on there with me, and I'll do a live canning in here. So I'm gonna let this cool down for a while, then I'll clean it up and get ready for get everything ready for Monday. All right, tonight is Friday night. Just got done with the Friday night live stream, so I will see you. Let's see here. Turn it around here. All right, I will see you. Well, probably won't get this out till tomorrow or Sunday. By the time I get it edited and high speed through it all, get it all processed. So I will see you Monday night for the fireside chat and live canning. All right, take care.